Hi friends, welcome back to another video. And today in this video, here I am going to showing that how to watch YouTube videos without internet. And now most of them are thinking that is it possible for watching our YouTube videos without internet? And all of them will know that for watching any type of YouTube videos, we must need a internet connection or a Wi-Fi connection. And so today in this video, here I am going to showing that how to watch YouTube videos without internet. And now let's see how to watch YouTube videos without internet. And at first you need to open your YouTube in your device. And after that you can see our YouTube, and after that you can see more of the videos are showing in this download option. And after that you can see I have been disconnected my Wi-Fi. And after that here I am tapping one of the video from here. And now you can see our video has been loaded, and you can see our data has been turned off. And now you can see when I have been skipping the seconds, and you can see our video has been playing without any type of internet. And now let's see how to enable this offline mode in your YouTube. So at first you need to enable your data connection in your device, and after that just go to this home button, and after that and you can see more of the videos are here, and I am selecting one of the videos from here. And after that in the below this option you can see like, dislike, and just scroll to the left, and after that you can see your option download, and just tap on this download option from here. And after that you can see downloading, and just tap this view option from here. And after that now you can see our video has been downloading, and just wait till the seconds. And now you can see our video has been downloaded, and after that now you can see I have been going to turning off my data, and now you can see our data connection is turned off. And after that here I am tapping this video from here, and after that just skipping this part from here. And now you can see our video has been playing in offline mode. And by using this method you can watch any type of YouTube videos in a offline mode. And thanks for watching our video.